Technology is getting smarter every day. But have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face? How TikTok knows what videos you like? Or how hospitals detect diseases early? The answer is artificial intelligence. And today, we're exploring how AI is changing the world. Hello everyone, I am Yasmin and welcome to my video. For this project, I'll be sharing one of the most exciting and important developments in information technology today, which is the artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence is a technology that allows computers and machines to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Instead of just following commands, AI can recognize patterns, understand language, solve problems, and even predict what we need. AI is important because it helps us in many areas of life. For example, in healthcare, AI can analyze medical scans and help doctors detect diseases earlier. In education, learning apps use AI to give personalized lessons for students. In transportation, apps like Google Maps use AI to find the fastest route. And in business, companies use AI to answer customer questions, manage data, and improve services. And lastly, in security, AI helps identify cyber threats and protect our information online. AI is exciting because it makes our lives faster, easier, and safer. It can analyze millions of pieces of information in just seconds. It helps us create smarter homes, safer roads, more efficient workplaces, and even new jobs in technology. AI pushes us to think bigger and innovate more. It's not just a tool, it is a partner that helps us improve the world. Are you aware that we use AI every day? When our phone unlocks with Face ID, when autocorrect fixes our spelling, when YouTube or TikTok recommends videos, when Google Lens identifies objects, when we use voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. AI is all around us, quietly helping us every single day. Artificial intelligence continues to evolve, shaping the way we live, learn, work, and connect with the world. Understanding AI helps us appreciate how technology can support society and open new possibilities for the future. Thank you for watching.